you just have to wipe it with this cloth. So this passage, the sound will come out from here. Use this every night to store your hearing aids. Hi, I'm JJ Ong from Manila Hearing Aid, and this is Learned with MHA. So right now, I'm going to talk about on hearing aid maintenance made easy. So this episode, I'm going to discuss about on how to take care of your hearing aids. So since the patient is using the hearing aids every day, it's accumulating earwax on the ear mold. So here, I'm going to show you on how to properly clean your hearing aids. Oticon aids comes with a cloth, cleaning cloth like this, and a tool wherein when you pull it, there's a brush inside. Like this. So first, every time you're going to take out your hearing aid, you just have to wipe it with this cloth and make sure the hole on the tip of your ear mold, there's no clog of earwax. And if there's a clog, you just have to use the tip of this tool to take out the earwax by scooping it out. Or you can use the brush to brush the wax. Okay, make sure do not insert it in the hole because the wax might block the tube. If you block or if you accidentally push the earwax in, you won't hear the sound because it will block the tubing. So this passage, the sound will come out from here. Actually, the ear mold, you can wash this with water but not the hearing aids. So if you want to wash it with water, make sure to detach this by pulling the tube and the tone hook of the hearing aid. Just pull it out here. So this is the ear mold. You can wash it with water and a mild soap. And before putting this back, make sure it's dry and the tube doesn't accumulate water. Because if there's water inside, same thing, you won't hear the sound. Actually, we don't usually advise to wash it with water, but instead, you can use wipes to wipe out the mold and use a dry cloth to just dry it. So aside from self-maintaining the hearing aid, there's also a maintenance for the hearing aid wherein you will bring your hearing aids to our clinic. The maintenance will be every 4 months. So for example, you bought your hearing aid for April, you just have to count 4 months, then that's the time you'll be bringing the hearing aids to the clinic. So normally, the hearing aids can last 2 years up, but it will also depends on how the patient will take care of her hearing aids. My next advice to make your hearing aid last longer, we also give this beaker and an MRC. It's like a silica gel wherein you need to store your hearing aids inside every night. So it will absorb the moisture that accumulates during the day. And make sure that your hearing aids, you will not drop your hearing aids and you will not soak it with water. All the hearing aids are water resistant, but it's not waterproof. Since Philippines is a very humid country, it is better for you to have an MRC and this beaker and use this every night to store your hearing aids. In case you don't have a beaker and an MRC, you can also protect your hearing aid by removing the battery inside your hearing aid. Do not leave it inside even if you're not using it, because the battery might produce a moisture that will cause your hearing aid to corrode. So this is the case of the hearing aid wherein if you're removing your hearing aid inside your ear, you need to keep it. So this is the Oticon case wherein it only capable of holding the hearing aid itself. The MRC, ideally you need to put it on the beaker. That's why we're giving out the beaker together with the MRC upon dispensing. Okay, so that's how you take care and maintain your Oticon hearing aids.